Passive income is the holy grail of financial freedom, and today I'm diving into 5 incredible ideas for 2025 that won't break the bank to get started. Let's jump right in. First up, we have digital product sales. This is a fantastic way to generate income without the need for a massive upfront investment. Think ebooks, online courses, or even printables. Once you create a digital product, it can be sold repeatedly without any additional costs. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable make it easy to set up shop. The key here is to identify a niche you're passionate about and create something that solves a problem or fulfills a need. With the right marketing, your digital product can become a steady stream of income. Next, let's talk about print on demand. This model allows you to sell custom-designed merchandise without holding any inventory. You create designs for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and when someone makes a purchase, the product is printed and shipped directly to them. Services like Printful or Redbubble handle all the logistics, so you can focus on creating eye-catching designs. It's a low-risk way to tap into the e-commerce market, and with creativity, your designs can resonate with a wide audience. Moving on to affiliate marketing, which is all about promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. You don't need to create your own products, just a platform to share your recommendations, like a blog, social media, or even a YouTube channel. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can be done with minimal upfront costs. Just focus on building trust with your audience and providing genuine value. The more you engage and share your insights, the more likely your followers will click on your links and make purchases. Now let's explore high-yield savings or investing apps. While traditional savings accounts offer minimal interest, high-yield savings accounts or apps like Ally or Marcus can provide significantly better returns on your cash. These platforms often have low or no fees, making them accessible for anyone. Additionally, investing apps like Acorns or Robinhood allow you to start investing with just a few dollars. They simplify the process so you can grow your wealth over time without needing a large initial investment. Lastly, we have YouTube automation channels. This is a unique way to generate passive income by creating content without being on camera. You can hire freelancers to create videos based on trending topics, and once your channel gains traction, it can generate ad revenue and affiliate income. The key is to find a niche that interests you and create engaging content consistently. With the right strategy, your channel can become a source of passive income while you focus on other ventures. Remember, the secret to successful passive income lies in smart systems. Automate where you can, leverage technology, and don't be afraid to experiment. With these 5 ideas, you can start building your financial future today without needing a hefty upfront investment. Embrace the journey and let your money work for you.